Okay, so these two machines are hardly being used, so I'm going to show you what to do on them. They are basically an unmotorized treadmill, and for me they feel a little bit more like running on a road, whereas a treadmill, it feels a little bit artificial. They're brilliant, but this one feels a bit more responsive, a bit like you are running on the road outside. They've got a natural kind of curve in it, so that's really great for speed. You've also got a tension control bar here, so pulling it back towards you, you're going to kind of ease the tension, so it's going to just go really nice and quick. If you push the tension bar forward, it's going to really add that resistance, so it's going to feel like you are kind of wading through mud. So like every treadmill, make sure you come onto it from the side rather than the back, and just, I would say, make sure the tension bar is in the middle when you first get on. You don't want it to be really, really loose and then it's just going to fly. You've got these bars here, so you can always hold on. And as you see, I control the movement, I control the speed. As soon as I stop, it stops. So there's so many things you can hold on to the bars here, you can hold on to the bars here, or you can just do it free running if you get the confidence. Like so, just going to ease the tension back. There, and I'm going at my natural kind of pace. Now, if I wanted to maybe work my glutes, work my kind of calves and my hamstrings a bit more, I'm going to bring that tension all the way forward. I'm going to hold on to these bars and I'm really going to plow through the resistance, like so. Try and pick up some pace. It's harder, and I can really feel my calves really working. So again, this is one, just come in here, have a little play, and ask one of us if you're struggling. Enjoy.